So what's up guys, my name is Sheldon Gomes, aka the Random Anglo. It's been a long time since I actually posted a few videos due to the lockdown, haven't been able to go for any rides. So today I am actually putting some fog lamps on my R15 V3. So I'm going to show you the process of how it's going to be done, and I'm doing it a little bit different compared to what other people do. So usually people put it on the mudguard nut, but I'm putting it on the axle wheel itself, on the axle nut, because that's a stronger place to put it. Now I'm custom making the clamps for it, because you don't get the clamps ready made for these bikes. So I'm custom making the clamps. I'm going to show you exactly how the fixing process is going to be done, and if you need any help, if you're around Bangalore and you need a good mechanic to do it, where you can come. So let's go. I'm going to show you the fog lamps. So these are the fogs I'm using. So this is a 24 LED 72 watt fog light. So basically I'm going to be putting a clamp here that extends all the way here. It's basically an L clamp, and the fog is going to come exactly here. Now most people put it here, but they don't realize that in case you go into a ditch, this is going to hit. Okay, so that's a bad idea. So this is a better place because the angle is right and it's not going to reach all the way here in case you go into the ditch. So the clamps are being made right now. Okay, I'll show you the clamps. So this is the clamp, and that piece over there is going to be attached to the side. So it's going to be something like this with an L. So I'll show you exactly how the fixing process will be done. Slight delay yesterday with the clamps and stuff. It took a little while to make, but the clamps are finally done, and I'm going to show you exactly how the clamps look. So they're basically been custom made and painted so they don't rust, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to be done. So these are the clamps for the bike. This is Anand, great Anand. The fogs have been fixed into the bike, and we got my friend Clinton here. He's going to be doing the switch on scenes. Switch it off. So these are how the fogs have been connected. There's a custom made clamp for the bike, dual wiring. The wiring was taken from this side to this side and then straight to the ignition, and this is the switch. I've just installed the fogs and come to a dark road to check it out, and this is how it is. So can you see the entire side is lit up, and these are off, and on. Okay, so you're going to notice that in the starting of the video I'm wearing a different shirt, and now I'm wearing a different shirt. So basically the clamps were made in a day before the video was actually shot, and there was some delays, so I'm sure this video is like a 2-day video. Anyway, so the clamps are custom made for the R15, because the place where I actually put the fog lamps, people really don't do that. So I'm going to show you exactly where I focused the point. Okay, because people let me just show you a better idea. So usually people, when they custom make fog lights for the R15, what they do is they clamp it here. Now this is a bad area because it's really close and it's just going to crack in case you go to a big ditch. Now this is the best spot. As you can see, the clamps are custom made. Okay, now this is the better place to put it, because even though in a deep impact, this is not going to be able to reach the frame of the bike. And so basically the wiring was done. There's a switch right here that controls it. Okay, now the quality of this video is going to be super bad because I wasn't prepared. I'm just shooting on my phone camera. In case anyone has any questions about how exactly where to get the clamps done, you can hit me up on Instagram. Okay, I do sell accessories for bikes, different bikes as well. So you can hit me up on Flourish Boy. That's my personal Instagram ID for any queries about the bike or any questions basically. And in case you need to get any different type of accessories for your bike, you can hit me down at bikezone.in. That's my Instagram handle for my bike zone, where I sell products and stuff. So that's basically it. This was a very quick, fast review. Basically, a lot of work doesn't go into to making Foglamp videos. So this is super easy. In case you guys have any doubts, always hit me up. I'm here, and that's basically it. And I'm Sheldon Gomes, aka that random Anglo. I will catch you guys soon in my next video. So just to give you guys a better example of how the fogs work, okay. So this is in low beam, that's high beam, that's fogs.